Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the 2015 Manitoba Math Contest. We're looking now at question number 3. Let's dive in and have a look here. So, question 3. In a Fibonacci-like sequence, each term is the sum of the two terms immediately preceding it. For example, the actual Fibonacci sequence is Fibonacci-like. How do we get 3? Well, it's 1 plus 2. How do we get 8? It's 3 plus 5. And the Lucas sequence, 1, 3, 4, 7, 11, 18. How do we get 11? Well, it's 4 plus 7. How do we get 18? It's 7 plus 11. So these are both Fibonacci-like sequences. Okay. So A part. The first term of a Fibonacci-like sequence is 4, and the fifth term is 2. Find the second, third, and fourth terms. Okay, now the fact that they use the definite article makes me think there's only going to be one possible answer. Okay. Now, in general, if I start my sequence, first two terms can be anything, but the next term is going to be A plus B. The next term is going to be B plus A plus B, or A plus 2B. The next term is going to be 2A plus 3B, 3A plus 5B. You'll notice that the Fibonacci numbers come in here quite naturally. So now we start with 4. And we 1, 2, 3, the fifth term is 2. So 2 is 2a plus 3b, 4 is a, so that means this is 8 plus 3b. So 3b is going to be negative 6, and b is negative 2. So yeah, we do get everything definitely determined. So 4, negative 2, and then the sum of those two is 2, sum of those is 0, and then the sum of those is 2 again. So they just want the second, third, and fourth terms, negative 2, 2, and 0. And that's going to be our answer there really quickly. But there's a lot that can be done with these Fibonacci-like sequences. I prefer the generalization where the number you get is the sum of two of the previous ones, but not necessarily the ones that just happened. So I like the sequence that goes 1, 1, 1, and then you add up these two to get 2, you add up these two to get 2, you add up these two to get 3, and you add up these two to get 4, and 5. That's a sequence I like. And now you know just a little bit more about me as a person. Alright, so that's 3A. What do we got for 3B? If x, y, 2x minus 1, x plus 4 is a Fibonacci-like sequence, find the values of x and y. Okay, well, same sort of thing. So we have x, we have y. Now the next thing should be x plus y, but they're telling us that that's 2x minus 1. And then after that, it should be x plus 2y, but they're telling us that that's x plus 4. Right. So now, equating the fourth terms, we get x plus 2y is x plus 4. So that tells me 4 is 2y, or really y is 2. Now, do they want the sequence, or they just want x and y? Okay, so now we've got y is 2, so we've got x, 2, x plus 2, and then x plus 4, x plus 4. But this is 2x minus 1. So that tells me x plus 2 is 2x minus 1. Bring the 1 over to the other side, we get 3, and then subtract x from both sides, we get 3 is x. So x is 3, and y is 2. And we can just do another quick double check. 3, then 2, and then it'll be 5. And that is, in fact, 2 times 3 minus 1. And then 7, which is 3 plus 4. So, yeah, it all worked out. So 3 and 2 are our final answers, and that finishes off question number 3. Join me in the next video for question number 4 on the 2015 Manitoba Math Contest.